my name is Vandana.
Hi, I'm Jack. We work at MMR, and today we're trying some CBD chocolate. Today we're trying the Calivolve Cherry Dark Chocolate with CBD.
These are some luxury truffles with cherries that are seasonal, hand-selected, and candied in small batches.
In terms of pack expectations, it feels premium, it feels clean.
I like the clean design and the fun interactive box. There are some cues telling me that this is going to be a indulgent luxury product. Yeah, I'm excited to try these.
Great.
Let's see if we can open them. Let's see Jack struggle for a little bit.
How to open it?
It's to deter children from getting into these packs. I know how to open it, but I want to see if Jack can figure it out.
I am genuinely struggling with this pack.
Do you need a hand? So what you have to do is just take these flaps, push it in, and then kind of slide it in. You can also use this. Kind of opens up like this, like a little jewelry box, if you will. One square looks like 20 milligrams. I thought there would be cherries in here. I would see cherry pieces because they were saying it was candied. It kind of seems like a very homogeneous chocolate piece, so I don't know if there's going to be something in it.
Interesting. I wasn't expecting inclusions.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I was expecting something.
It's a multi-layered flavour.
Mm-hmm.
But
It's not too bitter for being a dark chocolate. There's like a hint of cherry flavoring in there, but it's good.
Sort of like a marzipan cherry.
When they said truffle, I was kind of hoping the inside would also be soft, but it's just like a chocolate piece. It's good, it's just not what I expected.
Yeah.
I'm not tasting any of the CBD, which is good. Because it can kind of have a weird, funky aftertaste, so I like that it's just... no, I'm kind of getting a little grassy note.
Do you think it marries up with the pack?
No. I was expecting a truffle. I expected more. I wanted to be those little limp truffles. Making a big fuss about seasonal hand-selected cherries, I was kind of hoping for a little bit more cherry. The flavor was good, but not getting enough cherry pieces.
It was a weak hint, wasn't it? There wasn't really much going on with the cherry.
Do you feel like it's a luxurious chocolate, though?
Without the pack, if it was just a blind test, I don't think it's got enough luxurious cues to set it apart as premium.
It could have just been like any bar.
Yeah.
But overall, really good. I would buy it. I just think it didn't deliver on the whole process of opening it. It was kind of like a little gift. I was expecting something more. So
yeah, it set high expectations.
I set up really high expectations.
That was very difficult
to
meet.
The look of the product's decent. It's just but it's just squares. I don't know.
Yeah, it does look like standard chocolate pieces.
Just looks like standard chocolate pieces.
And it tastes a little bit close to that too.
Yeah.
Slightly multi-dimensional, but not enough there to set it apart.
Yeah. All right. Well, that's our review of the Calivolve CBD chocolate. Thanks for joining us.